Now let's talk about monopolistic competition. Here are the characteristics for monopolistic competition. There are many producers and many consumers. The products can be differentiated, but they're not perfect substitutes. And there are no barriers to entry or exit from the market. Let's take a look at profit maximization for a monopolistic competition firm in the short run. To maximize its profit, a monopolistic competition firm must produce the product with the quantity of Q star, where MR, or marginal revenue, equals MC, marginal cost. With Q star, we must also find P star, and we use the demand curve. We find the price that corresponds with our Q star, and thus we find P star. Similarly, we must find the point on the ATC curve that corresponds with our Q star to find ATC star. And by producing Q star, our TR, or total revenue, equals P star times Q star. Our total cost equals ATC star times Q star. And remember that profit is total revenue minus total cost. So our profit is P star, or price, minus ATC star, or average total cost, altogether multiplied by our Q star. This can be seen in the yellow shaded area. Generally, in the short run, a monopolistic competition firm may make a profit, a loss, or a zero profit. Our firm in the example makes a profit, as seen with the yellow shaded area. Now let's look at profit maximization for a monopolistic competition firm in the long run. Remember that in monopolistic competition, there are no barriers to entry or exit from the market. So, after seeing a monopolistic competition firm's profit in the short run, other firms will join the market. And thus, the demand for the product of this single monopolistic competition firm will decrease. You can see that in the example, from the shift from D0 to D1. With this leftward shift in demand, the marginal revenue curve also shifts to the left. We can see that in the shift from MR0 to MR1. And remember that a single firm can maximize its profit when marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Thus, we can also see that the quantity produced must decrease from Q0 to Q1. Then we look to our new demand curve to find our new price. And we look to the average total cost, or ATC curve, to find our average total cost at the new quantity. And we find that the price, or P1, equals the average total cost, or ATC1. So, remember that profit is total revenue minus total cost. Remember that total revenue can be found by multiplying P1 times Q1. Total cost can be found by multiplying ATC1 times Q1. And remember that profit can be found by subtracting P1 minus ATC1 altogether multiplied by Q1. But since P1 equals ATC1, the profit is zero. So, in the long run, a monopolistic competition firm makes zero profit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.